Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to connect your Etsy store to Printful and how you can sync your products so you can automatically fulfill the orders and sell print on demand with ease in 2025. So first of all, you need to come on printful.com and then log in into your account. This will be your Printful's homepage or dashboard. Over here in the right hand section, you will see connect to your store option. So click on the start option underneath it. Afterwards, you will be landed here on this stores section where click on the option of choose platform. Now over here you will see a bunch of different e-commerce platforms that you can basically connect with your Printful account. Since we want to connect Etsy, you need to click on the connect right next to Etsy. Once this step is done, it is going to redirect you here on this page and basically show you the steps that you need to follow in order to successfully connect your Etsy store to Printful. Like you need to first of all connect your Etsy account and assign the products and upload the Printifies. So over here, scroll down a bit, then click on the option of connect over here. It is also going to show you to get started with Etsy plus Printful integration, create Etsy seller profile and add a product listing on your account. Make sure that this listing is active. Once your Etsy profile is set up, click on the connect to Etsy button below. Now click over here. Now it is going to redirect you on etsy.com where you need to basically log in into your seller's account with Etsy. On the next page, you are going to see this type of authentication. So simply click on the allow access option. Once you have done that, you need to come back here on the home page. Here you will see that your Etsy account is connected successfully. Now simply go to the product catalogs page. Over here you can create your new order. So click on the new order option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then select the product and you can basically start creating that order and publish it on your shop Etsy store. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.